Hey, how you doing today? Welcome back to Home Business Book Nook. I wanted to share this book with you, How to Write a Business Plan Step by Step, a step-by-step guide to turning your idea into reality, by author James P. Clark. That's me. Before I get started, would you click that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I put a book up for you? And I just wanted to let you know you get 25% off site-wide on my website of any book that you see. You'll see a sale sign. So this book I wrote, I think the biggest key to a business plan when starting a business, if you kind of start out with no plan, you might start on the fifth step when you should be starting on the first step, and it can save you time and not be as costly to you if you have a good business plan in place. And this book is absolutely free. So all you have to do is download. You see the download right there, download now. It's absolutely free. I get notified when somebody downloads this book. Makes me very happy to see that you want to start your business and write out a business plan before you get started to avoid mistakes. And this is what's involved in the book. So step 1, researching and analyzing your market. Step 2, defining your business objectives and goals. Definitely do that. Step 3, identifying your target audience and competition. Step 4, developing a unique value proposition. Step 5, structuring your business organization and management team. Step 6, creating a comprehensive marketing strategy. Step 7, estimating financial projections and budgeting. Conclusion, reviewing, revising, and implementing your business plan. Understanding the importance of a business plan. In the world of entrepreneurship, a well-crafted business plan is like a roadmap that guides you towards success. It serves as a strategic blueprint, outlining your vision, goals, and objectives while detailing the necessary steps to achieve them. Whether you are starting a new venture or seeking funding for your existing business, having a comprehensive business plan is crucial. And I can't stress that enough. It's very crucial to start out on the right foot. A business plan not only provides clarity and direction, but also acts as a communication tool to attract investors, partners, and stakeholders. It demonstrates your understanding of the market landscape, competitive analysis, target audience, and financial projections. Moreover, it helps you identify potential risks and challenges while developing contingency plans to mitigate them. If this comprehensive and informative step-by-step guide meeting your expectations, ready to create your legacy, download for free and begin. Presented by James P. Clark. I'm a retired businessman and a U.S. Army veteran. It's 11 pages, and it's very, very detailed, that 11 pages, and it's absolutely free. I appreciate you watching this video about how to write a business plan step by step. Thank you so much. Subscribe, visit my website, and see all of my books.